Let's talk about how to draw an eyebrow. We're going to show you how to blend with 3 different blending tools, including a Q-tip, a stump, and a brush.
Is your time and attention?
When we draw an eyebrow, we have to know how to position the eyebrow. It may vary from person to person, but in general, this root is a golden root.
I want you to show me. Can we get back?
The inner corner is longer than the inner eye. You draw the way up to the arch, but beware of how slant it is. The arch starts going down at the end of the eyeball. The tail ends almost the same horizon as the inner corner.
Love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you speak.
We could roughly outline the shape of the eyebrow.
Language is your love and affection. Won't you give some of it to me? Yeah, I need you present. Instead of giving me presents, you're not getting off that easily. Oh, when we get back on the same page, tonight we can stay. And why don't
Then we could build the layers by adding eyebrows hair. When it comes to layering, start with light gray graphite first.
my love language? Talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Love language. Love language.
What you have to notice here is the hair direction. You have to follow the flow of how the hair grows to create a natural looking eyebrow.
When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Oh, won't you let me in? So
Now you obtain the basics of it. Let's keep it going and keep layering by adding darker shades on gradually.
why don't you just talk to me? Talk to me. Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. My love language is your love and affection. Won't you give some of it to me? Yeah, I need you present. Instead of giving me presents, you're not getting off that easily. Oh, when we get back on the same page, tonight we can stay. And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your
To
time
make the
with me,
eyebrows and the eye blending together, add some shadows between the eyebrow and the eye. You could use a darker shade pencil to add the details of the eyebrow hair.
love language. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Oh, won't you let me in? So we can get back on the same page. Well, tonight I wanna stay. And why don't you just talk to me? 'Cause when you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation. way my heartbeat goes like cosine 내가 맘에 들면 follow 좋아요 구독 이 노래가 유명해져야 너가 날 만나줄 거잖아 그때 나를 바라볼 때 심장이 멎은 듯해 무궁화 꽃이 폈게 움직일 수 없어 baby My flowers made in your light And I'm blooming by your side You know I've been waiting for too long yeah. 지금 right now Sunshine on the shoreline Feels like a super trooper Is this the Truman Show right now 너가 제일 좋아하는 음악을 들려줘 이 노래 말고 어디서 본 듯한 익숙한 눈빛과 내 맘은 떨려와
Let's go explore, sun's up and it's one more side Maybe a picnic for us to unwind When we touch, 새pen냐 like lightning you will know that You my baby girl, my sweet darling pretty pearl The way you hold me tight and tell me things I like Girl, you got me on my knees, devastated, do you see? On my night
어디서 들려와 달콤한 목소리 내 맘은 떨려와 난 멈출 수 없어 햇빛이 비추는 날 우린 만나 푸른 하늘 You belong with me in this world 이대로 시간이 멈춰버렸으면 해 네가 가지 못하게 이대로 시간이 멈춰버렸으면 해
Let us know which blending tool do you prefer more and share your results with us.
네가 가지 못하게